Do you know most of the affiliate marketers fails due to not selecting proper strategy to promote product, due to not selecting good product, and due to not selecting good company. So if you are an affiliate marketer, please don't do this type of mistake. And in this video, I will tell you the path to success as an affiliate marketer. And if you follow that path, I can guarantee you that you will succeed. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pagada, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to it and like the video if you are an affiliate marketer. In this video, I will tell you 6 points. Number one, I will give a short brief about what is affiliate marketing. Then I will tell you how to start affiliate marketing. And number third is how to become super affiliate, and that is ultimate. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, please comment below that I want to success, and let me know how many of you are wanting success in affiliate marketing. And next is how to select great product or services to promote as an affiliate marketer. And next is affiliate marketing models that I will explain in my future videos, because explaining affiliate marketing model in a single video is not possible. You require a different type of model for different type of product, depends upon your niche. And then I will tell you what is next action for you. So first, what is affiliate marketing? Some companies, some persons, some organization develop their product and they want to hand over the marketing part to you, or the person who wants to do affiliate marketing. Now, if they are handing over marketing part to you, they also handing over some budget that they don't require to spend in marketing because you are promoting their products. And that budget is coming to you in format of commissions. And that is basically affiliate marketing. You are promoting, you are looking after their marketing part, and that is going to be give you the commissions from that sale, and that all about affiliate marketing. Now, how to start affiliate marketing? Promoting other people's product is not an easy task, and if you thinking that affiliate marketing is easy, you need not to develop products and you just promote other people's product. That is not there. You have to have work hard, and that will give you the result. Doing it is easy, but getting results from it required hard work. So how to start affiliate marketing? Number one is you can do affiliate marketing through YouTube channel. You can make your YouTube channel, and making YouTube channel is free. And you can promote other people's product in so many ways. There are too many ways to promote other people's product. You can promote them by giving reviews. You can promote them by explaining how to use, and there are a lot of ways. And number two way to start affiliate marketing is podcast. Podcast is growing very fast, and I hope podcast industry will grow at rapid level in next 2-3 years. Next is you can develop online courses in whichever niche you want to develop, and you can promote products, affiliate services of that niche. And next is by creating your blog or by creating your website. These are the ways to start affiliate marketing, though there are also so many ways like CPA marketing and extra. But I recommend going for these because these are going to give you the earning from themselves and from affiliate products also. Now let me tell you how to become super affiliate. The secret to become super affiliate is you should be niche specific. If you are promoting product on all of the niche, then there are high chances that you will not get any sale. Please be niche specific and provide real solutions and redirect your customers to the product that is providing real solution. Will you buy a product that is not providing solution? Will you go to a general doctor for neurosurgery? No. Nobody will go to a general doctor for neurosurgery. all will go to neurosurgeon. So please be specific so that people know this person is neurosurgeon, this person is general doctor. So please don't be general doctor, be neurosurgeon, be specific. Next is promote good products. What happens when we start affiliate marketing? We don't know how to select good products and good services. We start promoting each and every services of our niche. And that is also a reason of not getting results. Please don't promote each and every product, each and every service in your niche also. Try to select good products, try to select good services. There are ways to select good product and good services. Follow that ways, and by following that, promote only good products and good services. Next is sell benefits, not features. If you want to generate more sales for your affiliate products or affiliate services, please don't try to sell features. Try to sell benefits. By having this feature in this product, you can be benefited by this way. So try to understand difference between benefits and features and sell benefits. People will not buy features, people will buy benefits. So these are the 3 secrets to become super affiliate. Please follow these secrets, and if you found these secrets useful, please comment below useful, and I will be happy that you got some value from this video. And coming to the next point, how to select great product or service. That is also a very important part of affiliate marketing. So for selecting great product and service, there are 3 criteria. Number 1, the industry should be booming. Whatever affiliate products you are promoting, the industry of your niche should be booming industry, because that will give you more sales and that will align you with the trends. And next is company should be solid. Please don't promote anything that is not solid, because customers are going to have value, customers are going to have your reference, then only they will buy. And if you are promoting a bad product or a product that is not up to standard, then what happens? You are losing your value. That company is not going to lose anything, because that is registered with so many affiliates, that is registered on affiliate platforms, affiliate marketplaces. So that is not going to lose anything, because customers or the audience knows you. So please don't promote anything substandard. That will help you in building reputation in your niche, and that will increase your sales also. And the number 3rd point is it should be quality product. Sometimes what happens, solid companies are also making the products that are not the quality products. This is the reality. They can sell that products on their brand name, but that is not a really quality product. Try to select quality product. Go through that product. Go through the material provided you for promoting, and know the things that is really inside the product that is giving in the marketing material. By knowing that and comparing with other products, you know this product having the quality or not. So these are the 3 points. Before selecting any product and service, please ensure these 3 points, and by ensuring these, you will end up finding a good quality product or good quality service. And now let me tell you affiliate marketing models. First, you should finalize your product, what you want to promote. This is the steps. I will tell you models in future videos, that how to do everything. After selecting product, what step to be taken. After taking this step, after making brief page, what next step is to be taken. How to promote and where to promote correctly. So these all will be told in future videos. Please subscribe for that and press the bell icon so that you will get notification of that videos also. First, finalize product, and next is decide potential customer. This is also a overlooked area. People don't decide who is the potential customer of that product or that service. They start promoting to each and everyone, and that will not work at all. Because if you don't know who is the potential customer of your product or your service, then how you are expecting sale of that product? In my opinion, that is not the way. I don't promote anything irrelevant to everyone. I only promote the products that are relevant to you. If you are watching this affiliate marketing video and if I promote you the funnel building software, then that is making sense because you required funnel building. And for that, I want to tell you that if you don't having Groove.cm account, please create Groove.cm account because it is providing free funnels right now, and in some days it is going to be on premium models, and that time you will not be able to lock your positions. You will find the link below this video. Please make your Groove account, do nothing, but you will lock that you will be able to make 3 funnels for free, and that also on a very fast platform. And next is choose promoting models. What model you want to do? You want to promote these products on social media. You want to promote these products on networking sites. You want to promote these products to people's email list. So decide that model, and based upon that model, you have to work out your plan, execution plan, and that should be done step by step in a proper manner, in a strategic manner, so you will get absolute result. Now let me tell you what is next for you. If you found this video useful, please comment below useful, and I will be happy if you are sharing this video with relevant people. Next is subscribe to see future videos on affiliate marketing models. That I hope you have subscribed. And next is download MSI guide. MSI guide is a multiple streams of income guide. You will find the link to download that guide in the description of this video. Download that guide and go through that guide. That guide will give you exposure how you can build multiple streams of income by developing a single product, by developing a MSI ecosystem. So please download that MSI guide. It is free, and go through that MSI guide. Next is what makes people successful. The number one factor that makes people successful is the environment, and to give you that environment to you, I have created a community, Youth Info Hub. Please join that community. You can join Facebook group, you can join Telegram group, and by being the part of this community, you will find fellow members who are also developing the digital products, who are also working on building MSI ecosystem, and you will find an environment, and each and everyone is going to help each other. That is one action for you. And next is be in the right environment. If you are in the right environment, you will succeed. And if you are not in the right environment, then you may give up. So please never give up. Think before giving up that why you have started this, and try to find out the ways how you can do better. If you are not getting result in initial phase, please don't worry. Everyone don't get results in initial phase. They required hard work, they required dedication, they required consistency. So please be consistent and you will get result. Follow proper method, follow proper models, and thank you for watching this video. I will be coming soon with the videos of affiliate marketing models. Bye bye.